In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personalized 30-day habit-building challenge using ChatGPT to improve your health, productivity, and mindset. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a comprehensive plan that you can implement right away. First, you'll want to head over to chatopenai.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. It's important to ensure you're logged in so you can fully engage with the capabilities of ChatGPT. Once you're logged in, you'll see the chat box right in front of you. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll want to type in your request. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you're looking for. For instance, you can type, "Design a 30-day habit-building challenge to improve my health, productivity, and mindset." The goal here is to be as clear and specific as possible so that ChatGPT understands not only what you want, but also some of the nuances and particulars that might apply to your personal situation. In doing this, remember to include specific details about yourself, such as your priorities, the challenges you face, and how much time you have available each day or each week to dedicate to this challenge. This context is key in helping ChatGPT tailor a plan that's as practical and executable as possible for your unique circumstances. Now, ChatGPT will generate a suggested plan for you. Take a moment to review the plan it provides. Look at each suggestion the AI gives you in detail. Does it align with your priorities and fit within your schedule? Are the habits it suggests relevant and practical for your specific goals? This is your opportunity to ensure that your 30-day challenge will be as effective as possible for you. Once you've reviewed the plan, feel free to use follow-up prompts to make adjustments. Suppose the AI suggests that you wake up earlier or meditate, and you'd like to include an additional activity such as reading. Simply type in a follow-up prompt such as, "Add 30 minutes of reading before bedtime." Doing this allows you to customize the plan further until it perfectly suits your objectives and lifestyle. After tweaking the plan to your satisfaction, the next step is to make sure you don't lose all of this valuable work. You can save or copy the plan so that you can refer back to it each day. Whether you print it out and put it on your desk or save it digitally on your device, having the plan readily accessible is crucial for keeping yourself accountable and on track throughout those 30 days. So there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to successfully designing and executing a 30-day habit-building challenge tailored specifically to your needs with the help of ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you to create a positive change in your life.